Welcome to DIY with Aurea.
If you love a beautiful Christmas decor that looks expensive but is budget friendly, you are in the right place. Let's create some amazing Christmas in July DIY. So let's get started. I took some of these scrap wood from the bottom of my stash and I'm going to be painting both of the pieces front and back with this black chalk paint. And because this video is part of an open collaboration called Wood Round or Wreath Wednesday, we have to create something either with wood round or wreath. And here's my first project using a wood round. So I'm gonna go ahead, take this sticker out and give it one coat to the entire piece with white chalk paint. I'm gonna be creating a beautiful snowman. Over last year when the season was over, I went to Temu and I purchased so many stickers of snowman and I really didn't have enough time to craft a lot and create some snowmen. So this year I'm taking advantage and I'm creating a lot of snowmans because my theme this year is gonna be a lot of snowman. That's how I'm gonna be decorating my house for Christmas, and I'm going to also be incorporating a lot of deer throughout my home. And as you see, I am creating the hat. So with plenty of hot glue, I'm just gluing everything together. I already added the first section, and now this little plank here, I am going to place it right here. And then I also have, like I said, these snowman face, and I'm just gonna, they're stickers, they're not transferable. I'm just gonna go ahead and start creating the face. And as you know, this month is all about Christmas in July. I have 2 more videos that I have created, and in case you missed them, I'm going to be linking them down in my description box so you can see what kind of snowman I have created. And coming back to this project really quick, I have some greenery and some red berries. I'm just gonna go ahead and place them right here in the back section of the wood round, and I didn't paint that part in white because I am going to place that in a frame. You'll see that in just a bit. And as you know, this is also part of an open collaboration called Wood Round or Wreath Wednesday. I am going to be leaving the links to the playlist down below, along with the link directly to Loli from Loli D's Creations channel, and also the link to our guest host Gladys from Gladys Creations Part 2. Again, you will find that down in my description box, so don't forget to go ahead and visit them and give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking to their channel. I took this frame, I disassembled it, I took it apart, and I'm going to go ahead and take this tissue. It's Christmas tissue and it has beautiful little snowflakes. I'm going to cut it to the size, and then I'm going to assemble back the picture frame. Now guys, I make the mistakes so you don't make them. I should have painted this before I placed the tissue paper in the inside, but no big deal. I went the hard way. So if you are going to create something like this, please paint the frame first. Now I thought I was going to leave it in silver, but then I realized that it wasn't going to match with the borders that I have from Temu. I have these beautiful stickers, and this is what I'm going to be placing on all 4 corners of this frame. These stickers really elevated this project. I really do enjoy these, and you can find these at Temu. This is where I purchased them from. Now these stickers are very sticky, so once you place them in, you got to make sure that you're not going to take them out because you are going to break them. I made a mistake and they are very sticky. And I am enjoying these. I really do like them. I have 4 little blocks, and you can find these wood blocks. You can find these at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be elevating this. I want to make sure that it looks like a 3D. So I'm just adding hot glue, placing the 4 wood blocks right in the back. And then with more hot glue, I'm going to be gluing it right on top of the frame. And this will be it, my dear friends. I love this project. I have this in my hallway and I am loving it. And For this next project, it's really easy. I took both of these pieces. I had them in my craft room. I had already painted them with white chalk paint. They're a little bit distressed. And the snowflake, I added a diamond in the middle, and with a little bit of hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue them together. I'm going to be creating an ornament, and then I also have a ribbon, black and red, and I'm gonna be creating a bow, a simple bow. And my dear friends, today is part of an open collaboration called WWW Wood Round or Wreath Wednesday, and this takes place every fourth Wednesday of each month, and it is being hosted by myself, DIY with Aurea, along with Loli from Loli's Creation. And our guest host this month is Clary from Clary's Creations Part 2. These ladies are so talented. I also have a playlist down below. Please make sure to visit them and give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking to their channels. After adding this simple bow, I'm going to take another piece of the same ribbon and I'm going to be creating the hook, and like that we are ready to place it on our tree. Let me know what you think about this simple project. After going to Dollar General and finding these wood spikes, I took them and I cut 2 pieces the same size. Now I am going back to my craft room and I'm going to give it 1 coat with black chalk paint. Now if you're going to be creating something like this and you do not like the black, then all you have to do is just use whatever color suits your decor. Just remember that this is completely customizable. Now that both of these are completely dry, I also purchased these beautiful ribbons from Temu. I think it was like last year, possibly 2 years ago. I am going to be taking this green color. They are self-adhesive and they are plastic. I'm going to go ahead and place it right here and I'm going to wrap it until it meets the next end. And I'm going to do that to both of these sticks. As I was shopping at Dollar Tree and I went to the section of Craft to Square, I found these DIY acrylic board. I took it home with me and it has a protective plastic on both sides. After peeling it off, I took the 2 pieces that we just decorated and sandwiched the acrylic board between both of them, securing everything in place with plenty of hot glue. Now I need your opinion on this one. Do you consider that this would qualify as a wood round or maybe even a mini wreath, or maybe a little bit of both? I personally think that this qualifies as a wood round, which is why I included this in this project. Let me know in the comment section. I was so surprised to find these beautiful mirrors at Dollar Tree. When I saw them, I grabbed them immediately. And now I am going to be placing them on top of the little wood round with plenty of hot glue. And I'm going to do this to both of them. And then once they are completely glued, I'm going to take more hot glue and I'm going to glue it on either side of this beautiful decorative piece. My dear friend, look at this beautiful cardinal transfer. Isn't this beautiful? I purchased this a while ago from Temu, and today is the perfect time to put them to use. I simply peeled off the backing, placed it into my project, and using my Cricut spatula to gently rub it on the entire design, making sure that every detail adheres perfectly. Then I carefully peeled away the plastic, revealing this stunning image. Then I still had a piece of this plastic ribbon. All I decided was to peel it and stick it right on top of here. Look at how stunning this is. Now it's your turn to let me know what you think about this project. I am totally in love with this one. I'm gonna be cutting 2 more of these wood rounds for this next project. After cutting 2 of these, I realized down the line that I didn't have to do this. All I needed to do was cut one, and I'm also painting them in black. All I needed to do was cut one of them, but I learned that the hard way because the next one you could just loop it without having to cut it. I also have this cutting board. This is from the bottom of my stash, and I did create something in the past with it, so all I'm doing is refreshing it. And because I am going to be using those wood rounds and this hole up here wasn't big enough, I created a large larger hole. Now taking those 2 wood rounds after I painted them in black, because that's what I did, I'll be gluing them up here on this larger hole that was created. And of course I'm going to be doing that to both of the wood rounds, and look at how gorgeous they are turning out. Of course I came in off camera with some more black paint and I retouched them. And then for this beautiful snowman face, I am going to start placing them on top of the cutting board. And my dear friends, don't forget, this is just a simple reminder, the playlist is down below. Make sure to visit these talented creators and give them a lot of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking to all of our channels. After creating the snowman face or the snow lady, I have a ribbon, and this ribbon you can find at Dollar Tree with a little bit of hot glue. I'm going to be gluing it down below, and once that is glued with the same ribbon, I'm going to be creating a beautiful bow, and I'll be placing it right above her eyes. And then this will be it. Let me know in the comments section what you think, and also don't forget to let me know which is your favorite project from this video.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.